Hi everyone, this is Amala Reddy, Associate Editor for Commercial Integrator, and I'm joined today by Ben Hardy and Mark Miller from Sharp for our Video Wall Digital Signage Deep Dive coverage. The Video Wall Digital Signage Deep Dive will be featured in our April spotlight on our website, commercialintegrator.com, and also in the April edition of the Commercial Integrator magazine. Welcome, Ben and Mark. It's great to have you today.
Thank you, Amala. Good
Thanks
to be
for
here.
having us.
Awesome. So let's get started. Could you both introduce yourselves and talk a little bit about Sharp and its offerings?
Sure, yeah, I'll start. Hi, my name is Ben Hardy. I am the Senior Product Manager here at Sharp, coming from the NEC side of the Sharp NEC joint venture. I manage the large format products, so everything 32-inch up to 98-inch, as well as the video wall, LCD video wall products.
Awesome. And Mark, how about you?
Hi, my name's Mark Miller. I am the product manager for our DirectView LED product line. So I'll manage anything and everything with our LED product offering.
Awesome. And so, but what are you most excited about in the lineup for 2024? What has Sharp lined up for 2024 in terms of video walls?
Yeah, so with regards to video walls, we are still very much in the LCD video wall game. We have 4 different offerings of 55-inch product, ranging from, it's dependent on bezel size and dependent on brightness levels that are needed, but we still see 55-inch video walls as a very viable product line moving forward, not only for replacements of the past, but also for really closer distance viewing when pixel pitch needs to be smaller, and maybe customers on a bit more of a budget than needing something like Mark's going to talk about here in a little bit.
So on the LED side, we have just launched our FE3 product line, which is pretty exciting because this is our low power consumption model. What's great about it is you could see 60% less power consumption across the board during normal usage. And what's also really exciting about this is it's built on the same chassis as our outgoing model. And this also gives existing installers familiarity with the product. We've been able to do this without sacrificing any sort of video quality. Actually, the image quality actually improved across the board with a better contrast ratio and improved color gamut coverage. So pretty exciting product for us this year.
Great. And what else can integrators and customers look forward to as regards digital signage and any other products you have in line?
Yeah, actually, it's kind of a really exciting time for us here at Sharp now. For the past 3 years, at least from the U.S. perspective, we've been going through this joint venture with Sharp and NEC, and we were Sharp NEC for throughout that 3-year period, and now as of January 1st, our side actually became fully Sharp, and so with that, we were able to come out with a brand new product line that was really kind of co-developed from both sides of the joint venture. So that is the Sharp multi-sync PN-MEXX2 product line. So it's actually a direct replacement to the really well-known multi-sync NEC MEXX1 from the past. But when we came to looking to bring this product to market, we really had a couple of different pillars that we needed to sort of build upon because it's the first product to come out of this new joint venture, so we need to make sure we did it right. So what we did is that we kind of took a look at where each brand was very successful and why they were successful, and then we wanted to build from there. So we knew that NEC has always been known for very high quality standards with regards to digital signage. Sharp has the excellent Sharp name and the very broad Sharp outreach. So we're able to sort of maintain the sort of quality standards that were expected from the NEC side while using the Sharp outreach to sort of broaden our capabilities and what we could provide with a digital signage product. And so, reliability and quality was number one when it came to this product line. On top of that, we wanted to maintain that we wanted to make sure that we maintained our visual excellence that both brands were known for. So I like saying digital signage content is only as good as the panel that's being used, but quite frankly, the opposite is true as well. We knew that we couldn't really skimp on the quality of the image of the being shown on this product line. So we made sure that we found some pain points, or we recognized some pain points from the last iteration of product, the MEXX1s, excuse me, in particular. Those were lower haze products, meaning they had higher reflectivity. We kind of flopped that. We put a higher haze type of panel on it. That means lower reflectivity and obviously easier to read in higher ambient light conditions. Also, we made them brighter than the last iteration of product, just because that was an ask that we had been hearing from customers. On top of that, we wanted to focus on really ease of use and flexibility, landscape portrait orientation, out of the box video playback capabilities with really high-end integrated digital media player integrated into the unit via SoC, system on a chip design. So, this is the thing that's sort of new coming from the NEC side that Sharp had been doing and had been doing quite well, is that they had the ability to implement system on a chip and also support it. And so system on a chip, all components that would otherwise be separate are contained into a single chipset. So CPU, memory, IO storage, GPU, et cetera. And we really moved to this design so that we had first integrated playback capabilities, but it also allowed us to sort of open up a bit more to partners, CMS partners or partners that had different apps and stuff like that could work on the Android 13 operating system that we have within this product line. So a lot more flexibility that we're able to provide. On top of that, when you're bringing sort of two companies together to have a new product moving forward, you have to be wary of things like control protocol. So these new products support both the NEC and the Sharp protocol. So, if you're replacing an NEC unit that's in a control system that's connected to a control system, or a Sharp product that's connected to a control system, you need to have someone go out and reprogram everything, because we have a simple setting in there that really connects to Sharp commands or NEC commands. And then as always, with new products, we need to make sure that we update to the newest standards. So, this has a USB-C connection on there for, audio, video, USB-C capabilities, and it actually works as a USB hub. So if you wanted to connect separate peripherals into this product, whether it be a camera or otherwise, you can actually control that camera through the unit itself, through the integrated USB hub. So all of that sort of collectively came together and brought us the new Sharp multi-sync MEXX2 line. And multi-sync, I think, is an important thing to mention here, because for, gosh, what is it, 35, 36, maybe more than that many years, the multi-sync brand has been synonymous with high quality and reliability, really for all of the NEC base monitors going back that far. And that mark is going to be maintained moving forward with the Sharp branded large formats here as well. And this is just sort of the first of many good new products to come from this joint venture.
Yeah, that sounds exciting. Mark, you have anything to add?
Yeah, I mean, just speaking from the direct view LED product line, what's always been exciting about LED is its versatility and flexibility that it can offer. You're not just limited to a 16:9 canvas. You can expand that and go as large as you want. But LED in particular, with on the Sharp side of things, what we've been able to offer is kind of a microcosm of our whole company approach, where we really have a product for every situation, whether it be an entry level with our E-Series LED product line, up to our mid-range FE, to our FA or our FC series, which is our chip on board that we announced last week for like high traffic areas that LED could be damaged in. We also can do custom modules, whether it be outdoor transparent LEDs, or custom shapes or curves or flexes or 90-degree installs, all that. So really anything that a customer can imagine is something that we can offer with our product line. And then with the addition of our FE3 series, we can do that with a sustainable footprint as well. And that really kind of speaks to the whole broader reach of what Sharp can offer now, with all its different product lines, being it LCD, projection, desktop, what have you. So really being able to offer a wide range of products for everyone.
Awesome. And thank you so much for going in depth with about Sharp's products and offerings. I just wanted to ask before we conclude, is there anything that I have missed that you would like to spotlight here in this video?
No, I think that Mark actually said it best here. I mean, with the joint venture sort of behind us, from the US perspective, I think that we only got stronger in what our offerings can be. So, you know, we were known from the NEC side and the Sharp side for digital signage. Sharp was known for IWBs, NEC was known for projectors. We were new to LED and we were growing, and we've only gotten stronger for that. So now we can really offer, on top of the desktop lineup, we can really offer a full type of solution dependent on anyone's visual needs, which is it's kind of taken the best parts of sort of both companies, kind of smushing them together and coming out a bit stronger than we were previously, which is really an exciting time because now we can only kind of grow even more from here.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Mark and Benjamin today, Ben, sorry, for telling us about Sharp's new joint venture. Very excited to see how Sharp and NEC come together and take this company forward. Again, thank you so much for being part of our deep dive as well. It's a pleasure to have you both here today. Again, this is Amula Reddy from Commercial Integrator, and our video wall and digital signage deep dive will be in our April spotlight on the website, commercialintegrator.com. And also be sure to check out the video wall and digital signage deep dive itself in our April edition of the Commercial Integrator magazine. Thank you.